Morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 21, Let's Save Water. Before starting the lesson, look at the PDF of chapter number 18, Games We Play. Question number 5. Answer the question first. What are indoor games? The games that we play inside a building or house are called indoor games. There is a logical mistake in this question, students. You can see. Correct answer is the games that we play inside a house are called indoor games. So kindly correct it. Cut out these two words, okay? The answer is the games that we play inside a house are called indoor games, okay? Correct it. Now let's start with the chapter. Chapter number 21, Let's Save Water. In summer, there is water scarcity in its place. Scarcity means there is a very short supply of water in his village. Okay. This year it is worse. There is no rainfall in this area. His mother and sister have to walk a longer distance to fetch water. As the nearby pond has also dried, each day they spend hours just to get 4 pots of water. While walking on the hot sand, their feet burns and blister just cannot be avoided. Now blisters. Blisters are small bubbles on the skin caused by burning. Now in this picture you can see, students, that woman from the village filling their pots with the water, you can see. Okay. Now the next page. Water is sent to this place. Water is sent to this place. A train carries water to the village. Seeing these villagers feel very happy. Madhav's father takes his camel cart to fetch water. However, this does not happen often. People keep on waiting for days together for water. Some people collect rainwater. This is done by a special method called rainwater harvesting by making tanks, tanka. Do you know what a tanka is and how it is built? To build a tank, a deep pit is dug. This tanka is made pakka with cement. The tanka is covered by a lid. Here the houses are made with slanting roofs. This way the rainwater is stored. The rainwater collected passes through a pipe in a tanka. A sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe so that no dirt goes into the tank. This water is used for drinking after it is cleaned. Now look at this picture, students. In this picture we see the roof, slanting roof here, and the pipe that runs from the roof till the tanka. You can see till the underground tanka. Okay. The tanka is covered with lid. You can see the tanka is covered with lid. Rainwater collected here and flows through the pipe into the underground tanka. Okay. Now we can see here, students, this is sieve. It is attached to the pipe to filter out dust and dirt. Okay. We can see here a sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe so that no dirt goes into the tank. This water is used for drinking after it is cleaned. Now think and tell. Here we have some questions. We have to give the answers. Okay. First one. What difficulties people face due to scarcity of water? So the answer will be that people's condition become very pitiable due to scarcity of water. People have to walk long distance for water. In the desert region of Rajasthan or in many regions of Saurashtra, people need to go very far for 1 or 2 pots of water. When people do not get enough water to drink, they suffer from various diseases. Now second one. Who fetches water in Madhav's house? Let's go back to the chapter. You can see here. His mother and sister have to walk a long distance to fetch water as the nearby pond. So the answer is, in Madhav's house, his mother and sister fetch water from the pond. When the train carrying water comes, Madhav's father goes to fetch water in the camel cart. Okay, you can see here. Madhav's father takes his camel cart to fetch water. Okay. Now the next question. Can there be any other method of collecting water? Yes, rainwater falling on a roof of house can be collected in an underground tank with the help of a pipe. Check dams and ponds on farms can be built in villages to collect rainwater and stop it from following away. Okay. Now the next. Water collected in the tanka is mostly used for drinking. Why? Because the water stored in a tanka is filtered and covered. Thus it can be used for drinking. Is rainwater collected in your house as well? If yes, how? So no, rainwater is not collected in my house. Okay. Now last one. From where do the people in Madhav's village fetch water for drinking? So people from Madhav's village fetch water for drinking from the nearby pond, or then from a long distance away if the pond dries up. Sometimes water is provided to them by train. Okay. Okay, with this we come to the end of this video. So kindly correct that error. Okay. Thank you.